Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi. I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. But welcome to ZOPICS. What is this? Episode 3? Is this episode 3? Yes, episode 3, ZOPICS. Oh my gosh. Okay, in today's episode, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be answering any questions today. I'm going to actually be addressing something that has kind of been on my chest for a while.
Baby, this is what you came for.
So recently, not recently actually, not recently, but anyways, I had a falling out with an individual. They shall remain nameless. If you watch my vlogs, you probably know who it is. Or if you pay attention to my videos, you would have noticed a little title change in one of my videos. Yo, I'm really petty, okay? Like, I'm really petty when it's time to be. But anyways, so yeah, I had a falling out with this individual. And there was a lot of people that we spoke to mutually. And a lot of things changed. Like, a lot of these people decided that they no longer wanted to invite me to stuff, or they just wanted to stop talking to me entirely for no reason. Like, I did not do anything to them, or whatever the case may be. The issue is, so yeah, like I said, I didn't do anything to any of these people, but they all just decided to stop talking to me because they still talk to this individual. So me now, I'm just like, okay, like some of them I've known for years. Like we considered each other family. So I'm just like, this is super whack. Like, why is it that now all of a sudden everyone has an issue because me and so are no longer speaking? So my problem is, why do people have to take it upon themselves to carry other people's issues on their chest? Why can't we let other people deal with their issues on their own? I don't understand it. I've never understood it. I will never understand it. So please, if you are that type of individual, comment below and let me know why. Do you take other people's problems on your chest? Like, let people deal with their issues on their own. Everyone is a grown-up. So, like, I don't need for anyone to stop talking to anyone because me and them are no longer talking. You guys can have your relationship. I don't care. We can still be friends. You guys can still be friends. The world will go on. I don't understand why people feel like it's necessary when they're friends with people that if they don't no longer talk to someone, they also have to stop talking to them. That shit is super childish. I don't do that stuff, and I don't talk to people who do that type of stuff. So maybe it's a good reason why we're no longer speaking, because, like, honestly, like, there's so many freaking differences, but at the same time, it's like, I still don't get it. Like, why? Why people have to stop talking to people just because other people stop talking to them? You know, so when I look like idiots, when I look like idiot, because suppose now me and the person start talk back again. Oh, what you gonna do? All of a sudden want to start talk back to me, and you think that me I'm gonna talk back to you? So what? If you were so quick to stop talking to me for nothing, why am I going to start talking back to you if me and so start talking back again? Like, I just don't understand why people can't let people just deal with their own issues on their own. Like, why do people feel like they need a team to always be behind them and back them up in situations? I don't understand it. And like I said, I never understood it, and I will never get it. Like, I don't get it. Can you explain it to me? It's so stupid. It's like people are still stuck in like high school, like the whole high school era, and like we're grown. Some people have kids and husbands or and like boyfriends that they live with and all this type of stuff. So like, I don't get it. Like, shouldn't you be over that type of stuff by now? Like, that type of behavior. Like, tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if, because I see this post always going around on like Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and it's like, oh, if my friend talks to my enemy, we can't be friends. Why can't they be friends? Why do you have to be friends with them in order for your friend to talk to them? Why can't your friend have a relationship outside of your relationship? I don't get it. Comment, because I don't get it. Please explain it to me, because I don't get it. Me not understand it. People, please stop. You don't look like idiot. You understand? I'm gonna spell it out for you. He, the, yat. You don't look like idiot. Honestly, you guys, yo, this shit honestly has been right in my chest for so long because there was an incident that occurred where I approached someone and like the response was like, so I was just like so confused because I'm like, yo, me and you were fine, so I don't get it. Like all of a sudden they tell you their side of the story and now you're like picking up for them because like I just honestly I just don't get it. So please someone explain it to me. I would really like to know your thoughts on it. And like, are you that type of person? Like, and if so, like tell me your reasons as to why. Like, because I feel like, for instance, if me and Tiffany were to have a friend and me and that person no longer spoke, I'm not gonna expect Tiffany to stop talking to that person just because me and her are no longer talking. You know what I mean? Like, go on and have your relationship. Like, I don't care. As long as you're loyal to me and you're not gonna sit down there and talk about me, and if they talk about me, you're gonna defend it, which my friends do. So I don't have that issue. Like, go on and be cool. Like, I could be in a room full of people that don't like me and I won't care. I don't need to talk to you. You don't need to talk to me. I don't have to like you. You don't have to like me. But like, I don't stop talking to people just because people are no longer talking to them. And I don't think I've ever been the type of person to stop talking to somebody just because somebody never liked them. Like, where that's a go? Like, who does? I don't do that type of stuff. If I'm gonna stop talking to you, it has to be for a vital reason. Because when you come back to me and you ask me like, why don't I like you? I'm gonna be like, either like your red stings, you're a bitch, and I like you, the spirit not take you, come the spirit not take only for people, and that got me in problems. That almost got me fired from my last job actually, because my spirit just didn't like this one girl and she took it upon herself to make it a bigger issue than it actually is. Like, if my spirit just doesn't take you, my spirit just doesn't take you, but at least that's a actual reason as to why I don't like you. It's not just because somebody I talk to no longer likes you. Like, bye. I don't need to talk to you anyways, like, bye. So yeah. That, honestly, is my rant for today. Like, just don't stop talking to people just because a friend or an acquaintance doesn't talk to the person anymore. Grow up. Be an adult. If you were an adult. If you're in high school, carry on. Middle school, oh God. Elementary school, gosh. You don't reach nowhere in our life yet. You understand? But if you're out of those things, like, let people deal with their own issues. Because again, like I said, at the end of the day, you never know what will happen. You never know. People stop being friends, become friends, stop being friends, become friends all the time. And you don't want to be caught in the middle looking like an idiot just because you were trying to be loyal. That's not being loyal. Tell your friend when they're wrong. Tell your friend when they're doing something that they shouldn't be doing. Tell your friends no when you really mean no, and not yes just because that's what they want to hear. That's being loyal. Not stop talking to people that they don't know, that they no longer want to talk to. And if your friend's gonna stop talking to you because of that, because you still want to have a relationship with somebody that they don't like, then you obviously know that you need a new friend, or that you just need to be with the other friend because the other friend obviously doesn't care because they're cute, and the other one maybe isn't as cute. So that's just how it goes. But again, those are my thoughts, and yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I feel a little bit lighter actually now. I feel a little bit lighter. Yeah, so I honestly don't know if you guys enjoyed that. I just, like I said, had to get that shit off my chest. And as I said in the beginning of the ZOPICS series, I'm not going to be answering questions all the time. Sometimes if I'm going through something, I'm going to come out here and vent about it. So I vented about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in episode 4. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're that type of person. And if you aren't, let me know if you agree with how I feel and anything that I may have not included on. And yeah, like I said, until next week in episode 4. Bye guys. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you're new and if you haven't already. So yeah, like I said, next week guys, same time. Bye.